What's up, everyone? Trent here at Precision Transmission. We've got a beautiful 99 Chevy Silverado in the house today. And if you notice, got her on an old Dyno jet. This is the one that was a so-called built transmission. We did get them taken care of. They have a true built transmission now, as you can see under there. We also did the 2.84 Sonnax 6-pinion planet on this thing. And then we also built the rear end. I don't know if y'all guys can see that, but we put a posi in there. Nice factory gear. He's going to be turboing it, so we didn't want to change the gear ratio in it right now. He wanted to turbo it, see how it pulled, and then we'd go from there. But we got HP loading up. Looks like it's ready to go. Oh, I'm shaking. Sorry about that, guys. I almost dropped the camera and get by everything. Little baby 4.8. Cammed, headers, dual exhaust. What's she gonna make? Let me have some guesses. Y'all guys stay tuned. Dyno time coming shortly. You don't want to miss it. What's up, everyone? We are back and ready to dyno. This is number 1, so let's see how she does. Might just do one little short pull. We've already checked everything. Sounds really nice to go. Pop skips her the insurance. Let's do it. Okay, let's do this. Round 2. Oh, I kicked the camera. Well, we got Matthew from Arkansas. Got his truck done today. Turned out really nice. Little 4.8. Mild cam. Long tube headers. Little nice exhaust. I think she sounds pretty good to me. What do y'all think? If y'all need anything precision transmission, go subscribe. Check out the channel. More of power, where this came from. I got my 07 GMC Sierra gonna be turboing it here in the next month or so. And y'all guys stay tuned. Lots more where that came from.